Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. I'm here with the Jazzy Carbon because the Jazzy Carbon now has a headrest attachment available, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mount it, so stay tuned. So when you get your Jazzy Carbon headrest, it'll be wrapped in bubble wrap, but there's only two components to it. You have the actual headrest here, and then you have the mounting bracket. And the mounting bracket is just 4 screws that go onto this back handle here. So all you'll need is an Allen wrench for the screws. The Allen wrench size is a 3mm Allen wrench. So here's your bracket. One side is threaded. Goes like this. We have our 4 screws that are going to go through and connect to the other side here. All 4 right there. Now, just like the attendant control for the Jazzy Carbon, this does not mount onto this foam padding. You are going to have to grab a knife and cut the padding so that it attaches to the bar that's underneath. The mount does not fit over top of the foam. As you can see, this is a brand new unit that we are selling. I don't want to cut into the foam of this one. So I will just do this for demonstration purposes. But once you have your foam cut, you would line up these 4 screws, 2 up top, 2 on the bottom. Then with your Allen wrench, you would just tighten them. You want the bracket side facing you. So it would go like this, with the screw facing out. Once this bracket is mounted, your cup holder just slides in, and it is height adjustable. So if you want it here, if you want it up here, wherever you want it, you would then just tighten this screw. And that is where your headrest would sit. Just like that. The headrest is also depth adjustable. You have this screw right here we can loosen. And once that's loose, you can slide this forward or back. When it's back, it's almost flush with the back of the unit. But if you need more support, you can move it forward. And then you just tighten the screw wherever you want it. Then your headrest would be mounted. It would look like this, but again, we do have to cut the foam so that it will actually fit. It will not fit on top of this. Once again, this has been how to mount the headrest on the Jazzy Carbon. If you like this video or you like this unit, you want to order one of these units, feel free to give us a call, or if you have any questions, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.